Grasshopper Bank's Innovator business checking account is designed for business owners who want a high-yield, fee-free digital banking experience with added perks like cashback and seamless integrations. There are no monthly maintenance fees, and it offers up to 1.8% APY on balances between $25,000 and $250,000, which is far higher than the typical checking account. On top of that, it provides unlimited 1% cash back on qualifying debit card purchases, a rare find for business checking. Unlimited free ACH transfers and incoming domestic wires mean you will not be hit with hidden transaction fees, and the built-in invoicing via Autobooks, along with integrations to QuickBooks and Xero, makes managing payments and accounting a lot smoother. With access to over 45,000 fee-free ATMs and the option to create virtual debit cards instantly, it is clear this account caters to modern tech-driven businesses. However, it is not without trade-offs. It is a fully digital bank, so cash deposits are not an option, and there are no physical locations to visit if you need in-person banking. There is a $100 minimum opening deposit, and although customer support is available, you will not get phone service on weekends. There is no overdraft protection, and using ATMs outside the network can rack up extra fees. Businesses in certain restricted industries are not eligible, and those that deal heavily in cash will find this account limiting. In summary, Grasshopper's Innovator business checking is best suited for digitally focused businesses that value high interest rates, cashback rewards, and automation over traditional branch banking. The earning potential on both APY and rewards is strong, but the lack of cash deposit options, weekend phone support, and overdraft protection carries risks. Businesses that rely heavily on cash or need in-person service may find this account too restrictive despite its impressive digital perks.